beautiful people, welcome once again to the Niceroy 101 channel. I am Bernice from Niceroy.com and niceroyonline.etsy.com. So today we are doing a very cute tutorial with the Dollar Tree mat. I always forget about the full name. Dish drying mat. Yes, so but before then I want to come across quickly with this. So I'm launching a scrappy fun pack. Like, it's going to be as fun as the name suggests. So I'll be having different weights of scrap fabrics, mostly cotton. I think it's almost cotton for everything, and at different weights. So we are going to have 0.5 pounds, 1 pound, 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 4 pounds, and 5 pounds. So these are the samples that are coming, and each one of them is going to come with pictures of things you can make with scrap fabrics. Actually, my consequent videos are going to be videos for projects, very cute projects that you can make with scrap fabric. So I've packaged a lot of this and I'm about to launch them this week, so stay tuned. If today is your first time here, kindly subscribe so that when I'll be posting on the community post, I'll be giving posting shorts and videos. The videos are mostly going to be things you can make with scrap fabric. I bet you there are a lot of things you didn't know you could make with these scrappy fabrics. So I have very beautiful fabrics. So thank you, Chichi, as you suggested again. I'm doing this. Yes. So I'm putting together the pictures for the things pictures of things you can make with scrap fabrics, and you'll be amazed. They are so adorable, and I'll be doing tutorials for every single one of them. So when this one launches, I'm going to post when it will launch, but it's going to be this week. Yeah, today is 31st March, so it's launching in the first week of April 2025. If you are watching this video on a later date, yes, I hope this is still available when you are watching. So these are samples of the scrappy fun packs. That's the name I've given it, the scrappy fun packs. So we are going to have the Ankara fun packs, and we are going to have the cotton print fun packs. So you choose what you like. Some people like to use the regular cotton prints. That's okay. So this is the regular cotton print, and these are all Ankara. I'm going to see if I can do a mix. If I get the request to do a mix of Ankara and the other cotton prints, then I'm going to do a mix as well. But for now, we have only Ankara and only cotton print. So if you want only African print, you get it, and if you want only the regular cotton prints, you get it. So that's how it's going to be. This is just by the way ending here so that we can go on to today's video. But before we go, a very big thank you to Renee Johnson. Thank you so much. Yes, I saw the PayPal. It wasn't the name I know, so I didn't know. I was wondering, who is this coming from? Renee and Lashitas, you've been amazing for me on this channel. Through all my silence and coming back, you are always there. So I want to say a very big beautiful thank you to Renee Johnson for the PayPal. This is not the first time. You've done it several times. You've been sending customers my way, and this is the least I could do to say a big thank you. I really appreciate all you do for me. It's amazing for you to do all you do for me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And Chichi Lashitas for the suggestion. Yes, for the suggestion. Am I right? Okay, enough of the talking. Let's get to the table and get the tutorial going. Thank you. Stay tuned for more. So another beautiful Dollar Tree project. We are using this drying mat today too. Yes, if you like the boxy pouch, then you're going to like this one too. All right, so the dimensions for this one is 12 inches by 18 inches or 30 centimeters by 45 centimeters. So all we need is our dish drying mat, our zipper, maybe something to write with. I'm using a Crayola, green marker, and a ruler that we are going to use to create the corners. Okay, so let's get to it. This is quick and easy. Okay. Jumped at me. Okay, let's cut this off. Rama, I'm recording a video. Are you okay? No. Okay, so this is already padded. It has a lining, so we don't need any of that for this project. So what you are going to do is you are going to attach our zipper. Yeah, I have a long zipper. Yeah, it's long enough, so I don't want to start at the beginning because I don't want any space there. It won't be bad, it will be fine, but I would like to start from here. So as usual, since I'm doing a zip, I want to use a narrow foot. So lift this, remove this one. Okay, so we have our narrow foot. Okay, I guess I should have used a red thread, but it's all good. We have a lot of white. Not too close so that the zipper can move. Okay. Yeah. I would like to do 2 stitches, as I said in the previous video, so that this part can lay down. This part can also lay down. I don't know why this, okay, it's just a thread. Okay, now we'll have to stitch from this side to, so what you're going to do is to pin it down so that both ends can match. You make sure the 2 ends are on the same line. Then you pin it in place. You can choose to pin all. Now that that one is in place, let me cut this thread. Now that that one is in place, you can open the zip so that it will be easy. I like to use a longer zipper so that I can easily open it and stitch. Okay. I want to make sure it's in place. Okay. All right, so we are left with the second stitch to lay down the other side. To avoid missing it, you can stitch from this side. I eyeballed and got it. So both the end is nicely laid down. You can stitch after you've stitched this one or up here, you can turn it and stitch this one from this side so that you can get it appropriately. Mostly for the beginners. I know it won't be easy for the beginners. All right, so we'll now turn it inside out. Let me open it a bit. All the ends are finished, so it won't be a big deal. Okay, so making pouches like this is easy for beginners. No issues with the zipper. That's why I'm doing it like this. So this, instead of letting the zipper sit at the top, it's coming to the side. You can let the top line at the edge of the zipper. That should be fine. Yeah, so we are going to stitch from the top to the bottom. Okay, and make sure the zipper is opened so that you can turn it inside out. So we are repeating that same for here too. If it will be difficult, you can just pin both sides down to make sure they are in place. Yeah. So as you sew, you make sure the zipper are close to each other. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll cut the excess of the zippers. Now, in order not to let the zipper free, you just use the lighter to bend the ends of the zipper. So now it won't free. Let's cut off all the excess thread. Okay, I can take out the pins. Let me open. Now, as it is now, we are good to go. This can be the end of the journey. You see, this could be the end of the journey and our pouch will be done. As much as this is done and can be used just as it is, I would like it to be able to sit when you put it on the table. So we are going to create the boss corners to let it be able to sit on the table. This is okay to be used for an iPad or anything else. This iPad can fit in it. Yeah, perfectly. See? Yeah, so it can be used as a bookcase and book sleeve. Yeah, so for now this is about 9 by 11 or 11 by 9 inches at this point. Yes, so I'm going to create the boss corners. So we are going to go in 1 inch from both ends. Okay. So 1 inch from both ends. I'm doing it from this side. The good side because we are going to do a French seam. We are first stitching it on the good side before we stitch on the wrong side, so that there will be no ends showing. Everything will be concealed inside. There will be no raw edges. Okay, so using the wrong scissors. This is supposed to be scissors for papers. Okay, so we are going to stitch this in. Can open the edge. Okay, stitch close to the edge as much as possible. So I realized that I lost some footage. Oh my Lord. I realized it when I was doing the trying to upload. Yeah. So it got to the point when I stitched it out here. So if you have watched the boxy pouch tutorial I did, then you know I did a French seam. So what I did was after making the squares, I stitched on the right side, then I both sides, then I turn it inside out to the wrong side, then I stitched. So the right side goes in. So once I stitch like this, it cleans up all the rough edges. Yeah, so that's what I did. So you first stitch on the right side, then you come to the wrong side to stitch so that you get a beautiful finishing. So that's what I did. And I lost that. Yes. Okay, so that is it. This is our very easy zipper pouch with the zipper at the front instead of the top. Yeah, so the zipper is here. It's not lying up there. So that is it. It came out so well, really well. So if you like what you've seen today, kindly give me some thumbs up and share this video with someone you think might want to watch. Share me with your friends and family. And also, if you are one of the 95% of people who watch my videos and do not subscribe, kindly give me that subscribe to help me grow. I appreciate your presence here. It's been amazing having you here, and I appreciate you for stopping by my channel or being a returning viewer. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.